Next, let's look at some different type of assessment tools. What are these tools doing? They're basically using IP addresses to uniquely identify each network device, generally by TCP/IP communication. They're also going to map individual ports and protocols, unique identifiers for applications and services, generally identified in 16-bit lengths. There are several different types of ports to realize: the well-known port numbers, registered port numbers, and then those identified as dynamic or private port numbers. The well-known port numbers are reserved for most universal applications, where register port numbers are other applications not as widely used, and the dynamic or private ones are available for any application to use at any time. Here's a look, for instance, of some well-known port numbers. The Security Plus examination expects you to know and be able to recognize most of the common well-known port numbers. It's important when employing these assessment tools that the operator has knowledge of what port is being used, and can it be used by an attacker to target a specific service or device. To do this, we use port scanner software. It searches the system for port vulnerabilities, used to determine the port state, whether it's open, closed, or blocked. Next, we'll use protocol analyzers, hardware or software that captures packets across the networks, also known as sniffers. Common uses of protocol analyzers by the administrators is for network troubleshooting and for security administrators to do overall security analysis. However, the attacker can use the protocol analyzer to display content of each transmitted packet. Vulnerability scanners are products that look for vulnerabilities in networks or systems. Most maintain a database categorizing vulnerabilities they can detect. Examples of vulnerability scanner capabilities are to alert when new systems are added to the network, or maintain a log of all interactive network sessions. They can even track which systems communicate with other internal systems. The problem with these assessment tools is there was really no standard for collecting, analyzing, and reporting vulnerabilities. That's why the OVAL standard was adopted, the Open Vulnerability and Assessment Language. It is designed to promote open and publicly available security content. It standardizes information transfer across different types of security tools